Project initiation is the first step to successful project management, where you establish why you're doing the project and what business value it will deliver. Getting off to a good start can considerably improve your chances of success. So, if you're willing to start a project, you need to be aware of how to initiate it and what to do during initiation. Hi, this is Abutaha, and I welcome you all to this session, in which we'll be discussing the process of project initiation. Hello everyone, and welcome back again. A project lifecycle is the sequence of phases that the project goes through from its initiation to the project closure. The project management lifecycle is usually broken down into 5 phases, including initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and lastly, closure, which combines to turn a project idea into a working product. A systematic approach and structured processes in each phase of the project lifecycle result in yielding the best results. And, in this course, we'll dive deeper into each of the phases of the project management lifecycle to understand how it works for our project and what steps need to be taken during these phases. Each project phase addresses a specific aspect of the process of managing a project, from its conception to its completion. Although these phases are described sequentially, in practice, many of these phases may overlap or be applied concurrently during the lifetime of a project. And working through the various stages of the project lifecycle effectively leads to more likelihood of success with project delivery. Initiation is very much required for any process to succeed. Similarly, every project has to start somewhere, whether to solve a business problem or create new prospects in all fields of life. In this session, we'll dive deeper into project initiation, which will help you understand the initiation phase of the project management lifecycle. Moving on, we'll talk about the various processes and how to effectively take care of the initial stage of any project irrespective of the complexity. Project initiation is the first step in starting a new project. During the project initiation phase, you establish why you're doing the project and what business value it will deliver. And at this very early stage of the project management lifecycle, the goal is to determine whether the project can go ahead. The project initiation phase marks the beginning of a project by determining high-level expectations, like why a project is required, if it is feasible or not, and what is needed to complete the project. A clear goal of the project is established in this phase. A project charter does not contain any technical details that happen in the planning stage. The main goal of the initiation phase is to ensure that the project meets business needs, and that stakeholders and project teams are aligned on the project success criteria throughout the project lifecycle. During the initiation phase, the entire project team defines the project idea, and the project sponsor evaluates it and authorizes the project to proceed. The project manager starts the documentation process, which includes the justification, deliverables, risks, estimated cost, and resource requirements. Let's consider the example of an automobile manufacturer assigned to develop an electric vehicle. The selection of the design, capacity, and battery power of the vehicle will not be a part of the initiation phase, and the only certainty would be that an electric vehicle would be developed within the given timeframe and budget. Project initiation may involve many sub-activities, including feasibility study, identifying the scope, identifying deliverables, identifying project stakeholders, developing a business case, creating a statement of work, and possibly initial costs, price, and timeline for work to be done. And here's why the project initiation phase matters. Starting a new project is exciting, but it's important to make sure your initiative will actually add value before jumping into the planning phase. That's where project initiation comes in. It offers a structured approach to demonstrate the project's business case and prove that the work you'll do is feasible. Project initiation also ensures that you loop in stakeholders early on, so you can secure essential resources, gain visibility for your project, and prevent costly roadblocks down the road.